Should we go on a walk today? And then we could go to the store? Would that be fun? You don't want to go to the store? That's yucky. Did you have a good nap earlier? Huh? Oh. Hey, did you have a good nap? Why are you so fascinated with the camera? Huh? Oh. Hi. Hi. Do you know who Mama is? Huh? Do you know who the Mama is? Oh. You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Come on. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.